A thick cloud of smoke surrounded one of the most famous landmarks of the ancient world on Wednesday, the Parthenon in the Greek capital of Athens. A wildfire tore through a forest on the city outskirts, leaving behind scorched earth and scores of gutted homes, businesses, and vehicles. The fire began Tuesday about 12 miles north of Athens, but firefighters managed to slightly subdue it by Wednesday morning. Nikos Hardalias, who works for the government's Civil Protection Bureau, told Athens residents to stay indoors to protect themselves from smoke pollution.
I want to stress once more, it is absolutely necessary to take care. The weather conditions are extreme. The danger for wildfire is very high in the majority of the country today and for the upcoming days.
Fires were also burning on the island of Evia and in the western Peloponnese, where villages were evacuated near the site of the first Olympic Games. Greece is facing its most severe heat wave in 30 years, with temperatures hitting nearly a high of 110 degrees. The heat and strong winds are fanning Greece's fires over the border into Turkey. To try to stop it, France and Sweden have sent their own firefighters. That reinforcement is expected to arrive on Thursday.
Wildfires in Greece raged overnight Friday as authorities struggled to contain 154 blazes across the country. The biggest fronts are still burning in the north of Athens, on the island of Evia, and in areas of the Peloponnese. Firefighters with water-bombing aircraft are battling to contain the flames, with high winds causing them to spread further. A 38-year-old man was killed on Friday by a falling electricity pylon in a suburb north of Athens. In the same area, police have been going door to door, urging people to evacuate their homes. The fires have already torn through thousands of acres of land, burning houses, destroying businesses, and killing animals. Volunteers with an animal rescue organisation in the capital have been trying to rescue abandoned horses and dogs. This lady, who did not wish to be named, told Reuters 8 dogs were locked inside the centre. While this man says they found many dead animals and are trying to get 5 horses to safety. Meanwhile, on the island of Evia, hundreds of people had to be evacuated from beaches as fires burned through forest land all the way to the shore. Greece, like much of the rest of Europe, has been grappling with extreme weather this summer. In neighbouring Turkey, authorities are battling the country's worst ever wildfires. Flames have swept through its southwestern coastal regions, forcing tens of thousands of people to flee their homes. In Italy, hot winds fanned flames on the island of Sicily this week.